And happy Friday, D1. Let's go ahead, let's talk about your jobs for today. So first things first, we are on the home page. It is the week of December 7th through the 11th, and it is December 11th. It is Friday. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to our schedule. So first things first, you can see we have our morning work. I'm going to go ahead and click on the sun. Remember, we're talking about plural possessive nouns. Again, possessive nouns are referring to possession, so meaning it belongs to someone. With a plural possessive noun, we're talking about it belonging to multiple people. And so here you're going to see on slide number 1, it is the same video as it was yesterday, so you can watch that as a review, or if you didn't watch it yesterday, please watch it today. Then you're going to see on slide number 2, you need to write 2 sentences using any of the plural possessive nouns from this sheet. You are given a word list over here of words that you can use in order to complete your sentences. Then your Friday journal prompt, you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the black and white piece of paper. And you're going to see it's going to ask you to write about a time you had a conflict with someone. Now, I've had a couple of friends tell me, I've never had a conflict with someone. Everyone has conflicts with each other. It's completely normal. We're not going to agree with everyone on everything, and that's okay. So think of a time that you've gotten in a disagreement with a friend, a sibling, maybe a parent, maybe a cousin. Maybe you got in a disagreement with a team member. Maybe you got a disagreement with another team while you're playing sports. There are many different types of conflicts out there, and it can be about anything, anything really. Maybe it was with your siblings, and your sibling took the last bit of hot Cheetos, right? And so you got upset with them. Everyone has had conflict at some point with another person, so just reflect on it before you start writing. And remember, 5 to 6 sentences. Then you have your Zoom. After your Zoom with your awesome teachers, we're going to end around that 9:55 time. You're going to go ahead, you are going to go to art. You're going to click on the Van Gogh painting. You are going to click on the link provided. And you are going to go ahead and click on the pink button. Remember, your art Zoom starts at 10 o'clock, so make sure you arrive on time. Then you have your break. After your break, you're going to go ahead and do your prefix and suffix practice. Go ahead, you're going to click on the YouTube button. It's going to take you straight there. Hello, 3rd grade. Welcome. Awesome. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to go through, you're going to watch this, you are going to follow along. Again, this is a daily job to help you with your reading. Then you're going to have your author's point of view job. You're going to click on the orange book. It's going to take you straight there. Click on the link. And you are going to go ahead and you are going to follow along. So first things first, you're going to notice it's going to say, what is the point of view in a non-fiction text? And again, you can click on this link because it will read the question out loud to you. And so you're going to go through and you're going to answer, is it what the author likes to eat? Is it what the author puts under images? It's what the author believes or thinks. It's what the characters do in the text. Well, based off what I know, I think it's this. And you're going to go through and you're going to respond to the following questions. And remember, you have the audio linked right here. Then you have lunch. After lunch, you're going to work on some multiplication word problems. You're going to click on the math symbols. And you're going to see that you have your Google form. You're going to go ahead and go through. And again, you have audio made available. You're going to go through. You're going to respond to the word problems. Use your cube strategy if needed. That will help support you guys. And then finally, you have your typed weekly journal prompt. You're going to go ahead. You're going to press the blue notebook. And you are going to type up your response from Monday's journal prompt where you wrote a story from the point of view of a tree. Again, remember it needs to be 5 to 6 sentences at least. Anything less than that, you're going to get marked down just because we have made this requirement clear time and time again. And also make sure that you are putting periods, you're checking for capitalization. Last week, Miss Lopez and I noticed that a lot of friends were just writing a bunch of words. There was no periods. We didn't know when a sentence started, when it ended. So make sure that you are going through carefully, adding your periods, adding your capitalization, checking for spelling, as well as answering the prompt. And then you just have cleanup, and that's it for your day. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, D1.